about 6,000 before he lets the clutch in. He'll back off the throttle, but he's got to get that turbocharger spinning about 12,000 RPM. See the grade coming out? That means his water injection's coming on. Well, he's got black, he's got power. Ladies and gentlemen, from Chick City, Pennsylvania, driving the next case, Mr. Chris Boyce. As he's freed it up. See us going gray? He'll go black. When he goes black, he's got power. From New Tripoli, Pennsylvania, driving the Rolling Thunder, Mr. Kevin Ike. That was a good run for Kevin Ike. That's putting a light feather stocker, 8,500-pound pro stocker, 24-inch wide rear tire, double cut. We'll have a distance for you in just a moment. This tractor, so we'll see what he can do out here tonight. 283.25 by Chris Hoyt is the mark to beat. Green lights on the sled. Ladies and gentlemen, from Dansville, New York, one of the veterans of this sport and a legend as that. With the first decision, Mr. Henry Everman. Good run for Henry Everman, ladies and gentlemen. All the way from Dansville, New York, with that first decision Alky burner. And he's going to be put to the task as a driver, so we'll see what he does. But right now on the track from Dansville, New York, driving the overruled, Mr. David Everman. Light the fire, as they call it. Back 9,500. So we'll see what he can do out here. Green flag drops. Ladies and gentlemen, from Y Mills, Maryland, driving the Meredith Agitator, Mr. Howard Meredith. Now watch the engine RPMs. You see white, when you see black, he's going to have power. He's going to let it loose. All right, we need the hot bar to get it that tractor. We'll have it for you in just a moment. Now, like I say, now watch the smoke. He's got white, so that means his water injection is on. It'll go white, then it'll go gray. When it goes black, he has the power. So watch as he brings it up. They have to get that turbocharged fan about 12,000 RPM to get the fence going into the engine. Now he'll pedal it back, and then when he gets to a certain point, he'll punch it. So that's what you do from Ship Shed, Pennsylvania, driving the stretch case. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Corey